Semetic is Hebrew. I'ma be anti-something I am. You left the land bronze skin. How the children of Yaakov come back white. Oh, he's being anti-Semetic. Shut up and listen. Hebrews only.
Yup, remember the Shabbat day, to keep it holy. 6 days shall y'all labor, then Hebrew, you have to show me. Show me where your goals be, so be in vain, please. Tuck that to knock like an Isha, Hebrew hold. See me, I'm the epitome of get your life right with truth. Where y'all, it's like a nuke in a night fight. In all time high, that's when I'm studying. No prayer for finances, still y'all bring the money in. Fast out the week, that's just mind over matter. To get out the USA, that's just grind over lantern. But luckily, I found myself in a chapter of Acts 60. Muslim or a Christian, forget it, rather you lynch me. Me in the 50s, the dogs will probably sick me. This a regular show, but no Mordecai Rigby. Cursed be the man that tries to fortify the city. Blessed be my Akis, you talk to Yon, stay busy getting scripture out. Change my approach, now I'm gifted out. Y'all about it with pleasure, they say I'm different now. Call me the Antichrist, Torah living Antichrist, but Yah stands alone. So please explain what his anti-likes are. Forefathers were slaves, that's why they turn the other cheek. I'm going out, pouring out. Our genocide is every week. They teach come as you are, but if you gay, that's a breach. But Christianity is nothing more than the wolves dressed as sheep. Who am I? Stupefy yourselves and be stupefied with the children of Yah, and that's not to be scrutinized. We're all his children, it's not meant to be euthanized. Our sins were forgiven, that was the hugest lie. Who am I? Stupefy yourselves and be stupefied with the children of Yah, and that's not to be scrutinized. We're all his children, it's not meant to be euthanized. Sins were forgiven, that was the hugest lie. Who am I? They hate me because I'm speaking the truth. Hate yourself, look in the mirror, it's all growing and improve. You understand the laws of Yah, then you know what to do. Being stubborn and stick-necked, you just dumb and confused. Dumb and you lose, snooze, it's like gum on your shoes. Turn on the tube, trans gays, murder lies, deception. Sometimes I feel like DiCaprio, this is my inception. Brainwash tactics, idolatry and infection. Face it, Hebrews complacent in a place based off of complexion. Blacks are bastards at consumption, conception. That's why they attacking the arresters, harassing suppressors, harassing suppressors. Pigs and badgers laugh for protectors. All praises to the Most High. Rule 1 for the takeover. Drop the perms and weaves. Rule 2 is the makeover. Know your identity. Stop looking like oppressors. Replace the dub sacks and place some books up on your dresser. Peep the writing on the wall. Plus the blood through the crack. Plaster. Backpack your freedom. Back to Africa with black matters. This the rebirth of the Black Panthers. Zayed Binyamin making moves for the black bastards. Rap matters, scrap raptures from black pastors. Brainwashing people, then they tax after. There's rap manners, call it stealing from the poor. They be lying, know Yehuda, but shoot, hear the lions roar. Who am I? Stupefy yourselves and be stupefied. Children of Yah, and that's not to be scrutinized. We're all his children, and not meant to be euthanized. Our sins were forgiven, that was the hugest lie. Who am I? Stupefy yourselves and be stupefied with the children of Yah, and that's not to be scrutinized. We're all his children, it's not meant to be euthanized. Our sins were forgiven, that was the hugest lie. Who am I? Hebrew people, arm yourself for peeping. Knowledge is a weapon. Yah is your first defense, then next is the Smith & Wesson. Support Hebrew business, don't vote in no election. No matter who take the office, you still suffer from oppression. Pigs don't have a conscience, so it's eye for an eye. Counterfeit bills don't equal murder in a pine box. Swine ops, blue uniforms on the crime watch. Paid back 2015, Dallas 5 cops. Cannon's always call her William O'Neal. What goes around comes around when the innocence clear. Throw on your all black, stand the grounds, protest the summers. We can't fight 2 wars, stop killing your own brothers. I murder shot, black Negro nigga, that's a money shot. I eat hood rich, it's just a dummy plot. Forget the money, knowledge is power, it's what I'm gunning out. Time can't be bought, y'all fed is running out, check it out. Stupefy yourselves and be stupefied. Children of Yah, and that's not to be scrutinized. We're all his children, it's not meant to be euthanized. Our sins were forgiven, that was the hugest lie. Who am I? Stupefy yourselves and be stupefied with the children of Yah, and that's not to be scrutinized. We're all his children, it's not meant to be euthanized. Our sins were forgiven, that was the hugest lie. Who am I? Praise Yah.